Oatmeal has one of the strongest reputations in nutrition. Many people start their morning believing it is automatically healthy. But during years of reading nutrition studies and observing everyday eating habits, I noticed something surprising. The problem is rarely oatmeal itself. The problem is how we prepare it. Small habits can quietly turn a healthy breakfast into something far less beneficial. Simple science: soluble fiber slows sugar absorption. Oats contain beta-glucan, a soluble fiber studied extensively for heart health. According to the Mayo Clinic and research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, beta-glucan can help support healthy cholesterol levels and improve satiety. But several common mistakes reduce these benefits. Mistake 1 is choosing heavily processed instant oatmeal. Many instant packets contain added sugars and flavorings. These additions increase calories without improving nutrition. The National Institutes of Health notes that whole oats maintain more fiber structure compared with highly processed forms. Mistake 2 is adding too much sugar or syrup. Oatmeal becomes a dessert instead of a balanced meal. Excess sugar may lead to quick blood sugar spikes followed by fatigue later in the morning. Mistake 3 is skipping protein. A bowl of oats alone may not keep hunger away for long. Combining oats with yogurt, milk, eggs, or nuts can improve satiety and provide better nutritional balance. Mistake 4 is using very large portions. Oats are healthy, but they still provide calories. A typical serving recommended by many nutrition guidelines is about half a cup of dry oats. Mistake 5 is ignoring healthy fats. Adding small portions of nuts, seeds, or peanut butter can improve flavor and help the body absorb certain nutrients more effectively. Mistake 6 is relying only on sweet toppings. Fruit is great, but variety matters. Cinnamon, chia seeds, or even savory options like avocado and eggs can transform oatmeal into a more balanced meal. Mistake 7 is eating oatmeal too quickly. Digestion begins with slower eating. Taking time with meals supports satiety signals and may help prevent overeating. Research published in the journal Nutrients highlights that oats provide antioxidants called avenanthromides, compounds linked to anti-inflammatory effects in laboratory studies. However, scientists consistently emphasize that benefits depend on overall diet quality and daily habits. Results vary for each person. Some individuals may experience bloating if they suddenly increase fiber intake. Gradually increasing fiber and drinking enough water can help the digestive system adapt more comfortably. Moderation is always important. A practical oatmeal routine is simple. Start with half a cup of rolled or steel-cut oats. Cook with water or milk. Add a protein source like yogurt or nuts. Include fruit for natural sweetness, and finish with cinnamon or seeds for extra nutrients. Tracking your morning energy levels can be helpful. Notice whether you feel satisfied until lunch or if hunger returns quickly. Small adjustments to protein or portion size often solve the problem. Consult a doctor before major diet changes. Oatmeal remains one of the most studied and reliable breakfast foods, but like many healthy foods, its benefits depend on how it is used. Avoiding these simple mistakes helps keep oatmeal the powerful breakfast it was meant to be. Small choices shape daily health. Like the video if you learned something useful. Eat smarter tomorrow morning.